This is the new Italiano pizza oven made by TP Products. It can make 2 pizzas at the same time. It's double insulated. It is dual fuel, gas operated and wood operated. The tiles inside is ceramic tiles that is fire resistant, and there is 2 inside for your 2 pizzas that you're gonna make now. It's also loose so you can take it out, easy to clean, but please don't wash it with soap. You can only scrape it off with any scraper. Alright, and remember, the oven is very hot. Please don't touch the outsides of the oven. Okay, inside is the amber maker. It's a loose item, so you can take out your amber maker, clean it and put it back again. Due to the efficiency of this oven, you don't need a lot of wood to start the oven. You need like 3 pieces of wood. Let me show you. Open your choke when you're working with wood. When you're making a wood-fired pizza, your choke needs to be open. And remember, close your choke when using gas on this pizza oven. Most restaurant owners would prefer the gas option. With the Italiano, you get the hose pipe, and we are using a 9 kilogram LPG gas container. You don't need to be a pizza expert to make the perfect pizza with the gas option. It's easy to clean, it's quick, and you don't need to be a connoisseur pizza maker to make pizza with a gas option. The thermometer needs to be on 250 degrees Celsius to make the perfect pizza. So always check your thermometer. You've got your 2 peeping holes just to check, is my pizza ready or not?
Simple.